I am here today to make a little video, and I can't seem to get my shit together. I'm going to be doing a look with the lovely James Charles X Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist eyeshadow palette. It's honestly beautiful. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say. But I just felt rainbow as fuck and I wanted to unleash my inner fucking artist, so yeah. So basically, I haven't put on any foundation. I only did my eyebrows, carved them out with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This shit's bomb for carving out your brows. And then I used the purple mixed with some black to do my eyebrows. I'm so excited.
Music was made to be heard everywhere.
Shut up. So I think what I'm gonna do is like a super cool, like, I don't know, but you'll see. So I'm gonna start with this eye, and let me zoom in. I think that's okay. Is I'm gonna take this red, maybe you can see it, maybe not, I don't know. I'm using my back camera on my phone. I'm just gonna dabble in there a little bit, not too much, but like, you know, not too little. Knock off the fallout. And then we're just gonna go to town. And I'm gonna do this on my outer corner because I'm gonna go from red, orange, yellow, and then green, blue, purple. And it's gonna be super cool, super fun, super fresh. I haven't really used this palette to do like actual like looks, but because like I'm very lazy when it comes to doing my everyday like eyeshadow bullshit, and like I don't prime my lids because why would you do that, and the shadows already stick pretty well without a primer, so I'm having like high expectations with a base underneath them. We love her. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Morphe M514 brush. So yeah, I'm just putting the orange like in the middle, trying to make it really bright and vibrant. And it's okay if it doesn't look blended right now because we're gonna fix it. This is the orange that I just put on my eyeball, and then I'm putting that yellow on my eyeball right now. So yeah, that's like the eye. Super easy, super cool, super, you know, fun and fresh because Sister Charles came to the rescue with this pigmented ass eyeshadow that makes people like me who are incapable of good makeup doing good makeup. What I like to do, where is that? I like to take a clean, like super like skinny brush. This is the Morphe M562, and it's super like skinny, and it just gets in all those tiny little crevices, and it's super like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye, but it's gonna be purple, blue, and then green because rainbow. So I'm gonna take the same dark purple that I used to do my eyebrows with, and that's gonna go right here. I'm just gonna kind of like stamp it in because if you wipe it, it won't like go on as dark and cute. And I'm not gonna like try and blend it out too much because I'm gonna take a lighter purple above it just to make it pop a little bit more. And oh my god, this purple is fucking amazing. And then I'm gonna take the super bright blue. I'm gonna put that in the middle. Oh my god, wait, that's so super bright ass green. Hi sisters! So I haven't even put on my lashes yet. I chose these lashes, don't know what they are, but they're dusty as fuck. professional. This shit breaks me out. It clogs my pores, but it makes your makeup look fucking stunning. We're just gonna pretend that I didn't use an unnecessary amount. And we're gonna pat that shit in. For foundation, I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation because bitch, this shit is fucking bomb.
But James, how is this a dream event if I'm currently awake? Well, fake person asking me that question, it's called Dream because you can get the Honda of your dreams during this event. Like the Honda CR-V with 1.9% APR financing and sport mode.
I'm not really fucking with the color of this concealer right now. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bake under my eyes, and while it's baking, I'm gonna do my lower lash line so that the bake catches the fallout from that bullshit. So yeah, back to business. And I'm basically just gonna do the opposite colors on the waterline, except like, you see how like, I'm gonna make the green like match with the yellow, and then like, you know, you'll see. Okay, so just to give the eyes like a little extra like, I'm gonna be going in with the Kat Von, I don't know her name, Alchemist palette. You know, we're just gonna pretend like she vaccinates her kids so we can support this palette for like 5 seconds, because I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty bomb. But she doesn't vaccinate her kids. So for this eye, I'm gonna go in with her little green highlighter called Emerald, and we're gonna give it like a good like misting, and then we're just gonna like see what happens. Anastasia highlighter, and I'm gonna put that on the other eye.
At Walgreens, shopping for spring beauty essentials is a snap. We can help.
Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna be mixing the NARS Laguna bronzer with the Too Faced Sweet Tea. Okay, so for blush, we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Motherfucking Hills Blush Trio. And I'm gonna use like this really peachy, like really cute, subtle, like queen blush. And I'm gonna use the purple highlight on this side, and then the pink highlight on this side. Some pink and like, you know, just cute, like, And then I'm just gonna take this MAC highlighter in Double Gleam on my nose, because I don't want colored highlighter on my nose. And I'm also gonna take some of Fenty Beauty's Diamond, How Many Carats Diamond Balm. And I'm just gonna like, I'm gonna add like 3 little dots under my wing because it's cute and it's trendy and it's fun and fresh and I want to do it. Fuck. So we are finally on the last step, and that step is lips. And what I'm going to be using today is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. So yeah, this is the look. Super fun, super easy because the eyeshadows are fucking amazing, and if you don't have this, then go fucking get it. So yeah, that's it.